So here I go with an extra example on this writing something as partial fraction, and we're just going to take this question 7b from exercise 1G from the textbook. So here we go. We should notice, well, have a go and just check that you start in the right way, okay, before you finish it off. So first thing we notice is the numerator, the power of numerator is greater than or equal to power of denominator. Okay, because we know that, we should know the first thing we're going to do is divide. So set up our grid. We're dividing by x cubed minus 4x squared plus 4x. And we've got x to the 4 here to start with, coming from here. So we're going to get x to the 4 divided by x cubed gives us x. So we've got minus 4x cubed plus 4x squared. Okay, we want exactly minus 4x cubed, and that's what we've got, so we don't need to do anything else there. So we won't get anything filled into that box. We've got 4x squared, nothing there. We want 9x squared, so that's going to have to be 5x squared. So that's going to be remainder 5x squared, and we have got minus 17x up here, and we've got no x's in here at all, so we've got a remainder of minus 17x, and similarly a remainder of plus 12. So we've now got x to the 4 minus 4x cubed plus 9x squared minus 17x plus 12 over x cubed minus 4x squared plus 4x is identical to x plus, and we've got 5x squared minus 17x plus 12, which still needs to be divided by x cubed minus 4x squared plus 4x. So this bit, this section here, still needs to be written as partial fraction. So in order to do that, we need to factorise the bottom. So we're going to let 5x squared minus 17x plus 12 take out x as a factor, leaving x squared minus 4x plus 4, and that also factorises again, so we get 5x squared minus 17x plus 12 over x times x minus 2 squared. So we're going to let this be a over x plus b over x minus 2 plus c over x minus 2 squared. Noticing what the routine for the repeated factor having to do x minus 2, b over x minus 2, and then c over x minus 2 squared. Okay, multiplying through by the denominator, then, as we usually do, multiply by the denominator, we are going to get 5x squared minus 17x plus 12 is identical to a lots of x minus 2 squared, because the x is cancelled, plus b lots of x times x minus 2 plus c x. Okay, so we can eliminate a number of these. So let x equals 0, we get 12 equals 4a, and the b and c terms vanish, so a equals 3. If we let x equal 2, get 5 lots of 2 squared minus 17 lots of 2 plus 12 is equal to 0 from the first term, 0 from the second term, 2 to c. So 20 minus 34 plus 12 equals 2c implies c equals -1. Okay, now we can just put another number through, or we could look at the coefficients. So let's look at the coefficients. I've tended to encourage you to look at the extreme ends, so in this case it would be units or squares. I'm going to go for the coefficients of x squared. So we get 5 equals a, because x minus 2 all squared will give us what, x squared, plus b. So, and that is it for the squared terms. Since a equals 3, b is equal to 2. Therefore, our final answer, which we should now write out, x cubed minus, x to the 4 minus 4x cubed plus 9x squared plus 17x, minus 17x plus 12 over x times x minus 2 squared is equal to a, which was 3 over x, plus b, which was 2 over x minus 2, plus c, which was minus 1 over x minus 2 squared. And I've forgotten something. Let's go back and check what's missing. We've missed off our x from here, or here, depending on where you want to think of it from. So on that, I need a plus x. So let's just tidy that up. So there is identical to x plus 3 over x plus 2 over x minus 2 minus 1 over x minus 2 squared. Okay, homework attached with that is exercise 1G, questions 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 should do. Good luck with those. Cheers.